Alright, along the course, we're gonna use two software which are free. The first one is Visual Studio Code. It is basically a text editor that we use to write our code. And the second one is Insomnia. Insomnia is an API testing software that normally used by developers to actually test whether their application fulfill the expected results or whether the codes work. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to download these two free software and how to install them. Alright, in the previous video, I mentioned to you about the software that we're going to use along the course. The first one is Node.js. You can come to this website and find the installer files depending on your computer operating system. And the second software is Visual Studio Code. You can come here and download the installer file as well. The installation process of these two software are pretty simple and straightforward. You just need to download them and install them, and it will guide you through the whole installation process from the beginning until the end. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. The API tester software, it is called Insomnia. You just go to this link, insomnia.rest/download. It depends on your operating system. If you're running macOS, you will see this button, download Insomnia for macOS. If you're running Windows, you're gonna see download Insomnia for Windows. So you just need to download the installer and it will guide you through the installation process. Very simple and straightforward. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.